Hello dear friends, I'm back today with a lovely chutney recipe for you to serve with idlis, dosas and vadas. Usually we serve the coconut chutney made with fresh coconut and roasted gram or chana, which has to be consumed on the same day. But believe me, this chutney can be stored for a couple of days in the refrigerator, so you can enjoy on 2 or 3 days with a different snack or different breakfast. So shall we get started? I'm sure you're going to like this chutney a lot. Stay tuned.
In a pan, take half cup of chana dal. We are going to dry roast it without adding any oil. Stir it continuously. Initially, you can keep the flame high. Once it gets heated, you can reduce it to medium. And thereafter keep adjusting between low and medium. While you are stirring, you might find few grains have become dark in color, but don't worry, this will not change the taste. Try as much as possible to get the evenly roasted chana dal. Towards the end, add 1 red chilli. This is super hot chilli, Guntur chilli, so I'm adding only 1. If you are adding less spicy chilies, you can add 2 or 3 according to your preference. Now transfer them into a bowl, allow them to cool. Now add 1/4 cup of dry coconut. This is also known as desiccated coconut or coconut powder. 1/4 inch piece ginger and 1 teaspoon of garlic. Little bit of tamarind soaked, and add this if you like it little tangier. Otherwise you can skip it. Choice is yours. Half teaspoon of Kashmiri chilli powder for color, because I added only 1 red chilli. Salt to taste. Now transfer all these ingredients into a grinder jar. This chutney really has a nice and different flavor. The normal coconut chutney made with fresh coconut has to be used up on the same day. It changes flavor the next day, but this one stays good for a couple of days also. Now add 1 cup of water first. Grind it to a little coarser texture, then add little more water again, depending on the consistency you want. I have added half cup more. I'm keeping it thick. If you like it thinner, add little more. It's ground perfectly. Check the salt and adjust at this stage. Transfer it into a serving bowl. Now we are going to add the tadka. Heat little oil in a tadka pan or any small frying pan. Once it is hot, reduce the flame. Add half teaspoon of urad dal. Fry until it changes color. When it becomes light brown, then you add the mustard seeds, half teaspoon, and little bit of asafoetida. Finally, some curry leaves. Now pour this over the chutney. Delicious chutney is ready. You can enjoy it with your South Indian breakfast items. It pairs well with dosas, vadas, idlis. Today I am going to serve it with idlis. Thank you, dear friends. Check out some of my old videos also from the archives, and take care. Have a nice day.